Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's do our history. Peasants and farmers. We are doing this and we have reached 1.4 and here is 1.5. We are on the last of 1.4. What happened to the poor? In our previous class we have talked about the peasants who were driven out from the common lands. They moved towards South England. From Midlands, they migrated to South England, where there were big landlords. They used to do extensive farming. So there, they require laborers, farm laborers. Therefore, these peasants reached there. They reached there. What happened after that? Let's see that. Earlier, before 18th century, it was common for laborers to live with landlords. Earlier, before 18th century, it was very common that the workers or laborers, they used to live with the landlords, big farmers. They ate at the master's table. They used to sit together. They used to live together in a big house, and they ate at the master's table and helped their master throughout the year. They used to work there in that master's house or in the land. They used to do various jobs, odd jobs in the house throughout the year. During harvesting time, sowing time, they used to work in the field, and others time, off season, they used to work in the house, master's house, looking after animals, looking after cows, sheep, or doing various type of work in the house, domestic work. They used to live. It was very common before 18th century. The workers used to work there, and throughout the year they had a work. But by 1800, this practice was disappearing. Slowly, by 1800, this practice of living together with the masters disappeared slowly. And laborers were being paid wages. Previously, the laborers were paid throughout the year. But now, after 1800, the laborers were paid wages per day. I've told you already before, salary and wages, the difference, I've already told. So they were paid wages. Landowners tried to increase their profit. The landowners, they tried to increase their profit. Therefore, they cut the amount they had to spend on workers. That's why they started paying wages. During off season, the workers were left with no work. The wages were saved by the landlords. So, in order to increase their profit, the landlords cut the amount they had to spend on workers as wages. Number 3, work became insecure. The people who migrated to southern England to work in the agricultural field, their work became insecure. Employment uncertain, their employment was also uncertain, as well as income unstable. Income was not stable. It used to fluctuate. The income used to go up and down. The wages used to go up and down. For a large part of the year, the poor had no work. For a large part of the year, the poor had no work. So they find it very, very difficult. In their own homeland, in the Midlands, they were driven off from common land. And now after reaching South England, and they used to work there, and there also they now started finding it very difficult to survive, because a large part of the year they had no work. Only certain part of the year, for a few months, they had work, and other parts they were left with no work, and they had to find odd jobs in the cities and towns and other areas. So they find it very, very difficult on either side. In their own native place, Midlands, they find it very difficult, and again they reach South England, there also they find it very difficult. So now that was what happened to the poor. Now we have talked about that, 1.4. Now here 1.5. The introduction of threshing machines. The introduction of threshing machines. More problems started with the workers. Now the farmers started buying threshing machines. Now you see that. During the Napoleonic Wars, when England and France, they had a fight. Napoleon belonged to France. So during the Napoleonic War, prices of food grains were very high. The prices of food grains were very high during Napoleonic Wars. When France and England were at war, the prices of food grains were very high. And farmers, taking the opportunity, wanted to increase their production for more profit. So farmers expanded production greatly. For what? For more profit. Because the prices of the food grains were very high in the market, they wanted to earn more money. So farmers expanded production greatly, and for that they require more labor. So fearing the shortage of labor, they were afraid that the labor will be shortage. So fearing the shortage of labor, they started buying or purchasing threshing machines. Once the threshing machines were purchased by the big landlords, now the workers or farm laborers find it more difficult to find the job. So you see, now we'll continue our lesson in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe. Go through the online portal every day. Make a habit. Every day I'm telling you. So you should not miss the classes. It doesn't take very long time. So you can do that. Be wise enough to do that. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Introduction of threshing machines will continue. So a little bit I have told you about this. So that's all for today.